Welcome to DeltaCapitis channel. What I thought today was rather than doing a review of the market, because anyways tomorrow's markets are off and I'll be planning a weekly market review tomorrow. Today, why don't we use this time to do something little different than the regular market review? I will be able to tell you how to identify the trends and trend reversals without looking at the price. Let's remove the price, let's remove volume, or let's remove everything that is there in the price and volume. So we'll remove everything and we will be able to identify the trend and trend reversals. That's the most important aspect of analyzing the markets, right? So that brings to a saying that if you know your indicator properly, a lot of people novices, what they do is they keep moving from indicator to indicator. They do shopping for indicators. Rather than shopping for indicators, rather than dating your indicators, I would insist that you marry your indicator. That means you're going to use your indicator for a very long time, at least a year before discarding it, because every indicator that is being used by technical analysts, they would have spent years together of research before finding an indicator. That means every indicator works. Whether I know how to use the indicator is a question. Today use MACD, tomorrow CCI, or DEF tomorrow RSI. If you keep changing indicator, you will not understand your indicator properly. So, a simple example of how to marry an indicator, I will show you, because I am married to RSI. Without looking at the price, I have removed price on this chart, and I will be able to tell you the bullish market, where to enter, where to exit, without having to look at the price chart. So, on this chart, see from here in the entire screen, the markets are bullish. Markets are absolutely bullish. Now, every time I saw this dip towards these levels, I would rather buy. Is it true? So my entry is happening in these levels. So basically, I will mark my entries also. I have not shown the price. It is a bullish market, so I will be planning to buy when this dip comes to certain RSI level. Anyways, what RSI level? It again needs a lot of explanation, but I'm just showing how to marry an indicator. See this here, here. So I will buy there. There's a certain level. If I go to RSI deeply, you'll be able to see that. But now let's see, is it a bull market there? Let's see that first. And I have marked whether the markets are bullish or not, and whether I'm going to enter there or not. Everything is marked there. So now see this. Is it a bull market when I marked? Yes. When I'm entering here in RSI, I'm entering in price here. When I'm entering in RSI here, I'm entering price here. So it means I'm not entering at the high, I'm entering at the lows. Here, again here. See, the markets are bullish in the window that I have marked. I'll remove the price again. Let's maybe I would have known earlier. You might think, okay, Bharat already seen the chart earlier, so we can't trust. So let's find some random stock, whatever comes early, whatever first I see, I'll pick it up. Let's say uh, uh, whatever this is. No, wait. Let's say Tata Steel, BTD. I don't look at Bitcoin at all. Let's see what is Bitcoin doing. Okay. Okay, if the Bitcoin is doing this, uh, let's say from here to here, the market was bearish. The market was bearish between the window that I have drawn. Let me, for the convenience, let me draw a red line here. It was bearish in this window between here to here. In that window, the markets were bearish. There was a trend change here. This is the first time I saw a higher low, more or less higher low, and from there markets have been more or less bullish, more or less bullish. And now, right now, from here, so from here to till now, market is stuck in slightly bearish to sideways zone. Slightly bearish to sideways zone within this red. The window which where I've kept empty, that is basically a bullish market. So this red is bearish, this blue is bullish, and here we are slightly sideways to bearish to slightly sideways, or bearish to sideways is what my analysis of RSI, my experience of RSI tells me that. Let's see what is the price telling me. Where is the Bitcoin? What is the Bitcoin chart? Let me refresh this. You'll understand this. Okay, see this? In the window that I have drawn, was it bearish? Yes, it was bearish. I spoke about trend change here. I said a higher low here. This is the first time I saw a higher low. Markets are bullish. And now from this window, I said it is bearish to sideways. See this? Pretty clear, right? And this arrow that I draw, it was the first higher low that we saw. See? Pretty much yes. This is how you get married to a indicator. If you want to understand, or if you want to make a better decisions in your trading arena, what you have to do is you have to go deeper into your indicators. You have to go rather than shopping for indicators each day. You take an indicator, go deeper into it. Unless until you marry indicator, you will not know how an indicator behaves in the bull, in the bear, in the sideways market, right? That is the story of you can probably ask me to do something else in any other chart. Let me pull something. Let me remove Bitcoin. Let me find some stock where I have not seen. Let's say Bitcoin versus US, British pound versus US dollar. Let's say what it is. Absolutely bullish. I will mark the line where it was bullish and where it was bearish. Both were there. uh, from here to here it is bearish, and here onwards it was bullish, and I will mark my sell levels. When bearish, I'll sell. So selling here, selling here. From here it is bullish, buying here, and recent buy was there a couple of days back on 26th May. That is my British pound versus dollar. So let's open the chart, price chart now. See this? Was it bearish? Yes. Where was my sell location? It was here. Where was my sell location? It was here. From here it was bullish. See, from here it turned bullish. Buy location was given here, and recently I said buy location is here. See this? This is what I mean by marrying an indicator. Do this good thing, or do this to yourself rather than shopping an indicator. Stay with an indicator. I have stayed with RSA for at least 12 to 13 years now. That is the reason. Without having to look at the price, I will be able to understand the trends, trend reversals, entry, exit. Everything can be done on just indicator, because every indicator is a derivative of price. If price can tell you the trends, even indicator can tell you the trends, right? Keep following us for views like this, or probably videos like this, so that you don't miss, and you will probably have new learnings in our videos, right? Thank you so much, and keep watching us on social media. Thank you. Bye bye.